Hi children, welcome to Euclid Learning. So this is the first chapter for grade 8 textbook. So if you haven't watched my previous videos, there's a separate playlist for the grade 8 textbook. And this is the starting video for the grade 8 workbook, right? So if you haven't watched the lesson, please pause this video, go to that lesson 1 of grade 8 and watch that and try these exercises yourself and then come back and see, right? Please don't copy the answers directly from the video and write, because that is not going to add any value for you, right? Okay, we'll start. The chapter 1, number systems. So I have done the lesson separately. So this is only the workbook, right? So activity 1.1. So here you have to fill in the blanks with the words given in the word list. So there are some words given here, right? It's very easy because this is the word list, right? So there are 5 answers and 5 blanks, right? In the exam, you won't get like that. Even for your term test, sometimes you will get more answers and less blanks like that. So you have to pick the most correct ones, right? So we'll see here. The a number system using 10 symbols is a decimal number system, right? We learned about this in our textbook. Next one, the base for 1001 10 is. So the base is this one, right? So this is actually telling number of symbols in a number system, right? So here it is 10. So the base is 10. A number system using, there's a blank, symbols in a blank number system. So there are so many answers possible, but because we have 2 and decimal here, you can tell a number system using 2 symbols is a binary number system. Same thing like this also you can tell. A number system using 10 symbols is a decimal number system. So when you are in higher grades, you will learn octal, hexadecimal, those kind of number systems also. But the most appropriate answer here is 2 and decimal, 2 and binary. Okay. Next one, the number of symbols in a number system is its base. I have explained it earlier also. Yeah. Activity 1.2, expand the decimal numbers given below, right? I will show the answers. First one is 528, base is 10. This is a number in the decimal number system, right? So you can see the base is 10, right? So you have to go with the place values of 10 related to the 10, right? You know, the weighting factors we are using is 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, right? This is the decimal number system. So the weighting factors will be 10 to the powers, right? Always it starts with some, if the base is built-in base is 2, then 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, like that number system. So the weighting factor is 10 to the powers, right? 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, right? So these values, now this is 528. That means 5 into 10 to the power 2. Next one is 2, 2 to the 2 into 10 to the power 1, right? Then 8, 8 into 10 to the power 0, right? So hope you know these place values. 10 to the power 2 is 100. This is 10. This is 1, right? So 5 into 100, you have 500. 2 into 10, you have 20. And 8 into 1, you have 8. So if you add all these three, 500 plus 20 plus 8, then you get this number. That's how this number is created in decimal number system. Next one. 186, base is 10. So weighting factors will come with 10 to the powers, right? 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, right? And these numbers, right? 1 into 10 to the power 2, 8 into 10 to the power 1, 6 into 10 to the power 0, right? So 10 to the power 2 is 100. You can remember these place values also, like these place values are 1, 10, 100, 1000, like that, multiples of you have to multiply this answer with a 10. Then only you will get these place values, right? So 1 into 100, 8 into 10, 6 into 1. So when you add this all three. That means 1 into 100 is 100, 8 into 10 is 80, 6 into 1 is 6. So if you add all these three things, you can get the answer 186. Next one, 308, right? So again, the base is 10. So 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2. The numbers are 3, 0, and 8, right? So here 3 into 100, 0 into 10. 0 into anything is 0, so don't worry about it. And 8 into 1. Hope you know any number, if it is 0 power for any number, 2 to the 2 to the power, like 2 to the power 0, 5 to the power 0, 10 to the power 0, anything, its answer is 1, right? So here 8 into 1 is 8. So 300 plus 8 is actually 308. So that's how these answers are obtained. Okay, activity 1.3, right? You have to convert these numbers to the, these are decimal numbers. You have to convert them to the binary numbers, right? We'll see the workings. So hope you remember, if you have decimal numbers, how to convert it to binary. What you have to do is you have to start dividing each of these numbers by 2, right? For example, 28 you divide by 2, right? Your quotient is 1, 4, 40. What's the remainder? This is an even number, so no remainders. Remainder is 0. You continue to divide like that. Divide again this by 2, 7, no remainder. 7 you divide by 2, 3, there is a 1 remainder because 7 is an odd number. You have 1 remainder. 3 you again divide by 2, you have 1, remainder is 1. You don't stop here. Until your quotient is 1, you have to continue this. So 1, you divide again by 2. You cannot divide it. So 0 and your remainder is 1. So you have to continue until you get 0 here. And after that, you have to write the remainders bottom to top. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Right? Never forget to put the base 2, because otherwise your answer is wrong. If you don't put a base, it's considered as the decimal number. So this is 11,1100. So that your answer is wrong. Don't go and ask teacher, please give some marks for this, because that's wrong. If you don't mention the base, that's wrong. Your answer is wrong. Okay. Next one. 47. Right. So how to do? Same thing. 47 you divide by 2. For the 4, it's 2. For the 7, it's 3. 1 is remaining. You put the remainder here, right? And 23, you divide by 2. That's 11. 11 into 2 is 22. You have 1 remainder. 11, again, you divide by 2. It's 5, and there's 1 remainder. 5, you divide by 2. There's 1 remainder. 2, you divide by 2. Again, answer is 1 and no remainders. You cannot stop here. Go another step. So here, some people stop here. Then for the answer, you have to take this as well. But follow anything which is okay for you, right? Sometimes in school, you have teachers will tell it differently, but you can stop here. And when you're writing the answer, you have to take it from here onwards. So follow any easy method for you, right? So I have explained this one. You have to stop here, right? That means when you get the answer 0 for the quotient, you can stop this. So then you have to write all the remainders bottom to top. That's how you get this answer. Okay, we'll go for the next one, 101, right? Same thing, you continuously divide by 2, write the remainders until you get the quotients as 0. Then you can write the answer bottom to top, 1100101. You can pause the video, do it yourself, and then check. Okay. Next one, 128. Okay, divide this number also by 2. Continuously divide this number, right? Then you will get 1 and all the things are 0, right? So if you know the place values, like for example, for the 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 to the power 4 is 16. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 6 is 64. 2 to the power 7 is 128. So if you know this, you can directly write in the 7th place only you are getting a 1. Rest of the things are 0. Right? Hope you understood. Next one. 173, same method, right? Continuously divide by 2 until you get the quotient as 0, right? And the answer is 10101101, right? With the base 2. Never forget the base. Next one, convert the following binary numbers to decimal numbers, right? Now you have the binary numbers given, you have to convert it to decimal. So first one, 10010. So how to do it? Now this is a binary number, right? So the weighting factors are like this: 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. In your textbook, they have given the place values also directly. So if you want, you can write 0 into 1, 0 into 2, 0 into 4, 0 into 8, 1 into 16, like that also. But this practice this method because when you are in higher grades, these weighting factors are very important. Now this is binary, so you use 2 to the powers. If it is octal, you use 8 to the powers. So that method, follow this, write the steps like this, then it's easy to understand. So if you have zeros, life is very easy. Don't worry about the number, right? So here it's anyway 0. Here 2 to the power 1 is 2 into 1. So that's 2. So all these are zeros. Don't even calculate. Just ignore, right? 2 to the power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It's not 2 into 4. That's not 8. 2 to the power 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 4 2's multiply together. That is 60, right? So 16 into 1 is 16, right? So 16 plus 2 is 80. Write the base. For 10, it's okay to ignore, but in this chapter, at least write the base. Okay. Next one. 11011, right? So here also write the weighting factors: 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. So here only 1 0. So all the rest we have to calculate. So here it's 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 0. You can skip 1 into 8, 1 into 16. So add all of them, you will get answer as 27. Next one. 101111, right? Again, write the weighting factors: 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 6 with the relevant number 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? So 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. Here it's 1 into 2, ignore. 1 into 8, 1 into 16, ignore. Never calculate 2 to the power 5. It's 32, I know it, but no need of, because 0 into anything, 0 into 1 million, it's 0, right? So don't worry. 1 into 6, sorry, 1 into 2 to the power 6 is 64. 1 into that is 1. So 64 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. So answer is 91. Next one. Oh, all ones, right? 1, 1, 1, 1. So no zeros, no luck. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, right? That means all the numbers are there. That means 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. These are the place values of binary numbers when you are doing, right? Okay. Then add all of them. It's 63. Next one. Easy, right? Because you have all the zeros except for this one. So if you write it down, the steps: 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 7. All are 0. Don't worry. 2 to the power 7. We already have done the earlier calculation. It's 128. So the answer is 128. You don't have to worry about what these numbers are because it's 0 into something, right? Understood? Okay, last activity here. Activity 1.5, use the information in the illustration below to answer the questions that follow, right? I have already put the answers, but we'll read and see. A student is typing the word ICT on the keyboard, right? Given below are the steps, right? So you have to find out what is the correct order, right? Now, first one, what actually happened? This student is typing the word ICT, right, with the keyboard I, C, and T, and it's converted to binary and sent it to the system unit. So actually it's mentioned in the first one here, isn't it? As the word ICT is typed, the data flows in binary pattern to the system unit, right? After that, what happens? So here in the binary data is saved here, and then for the printer, it will send the word ICT. Otherwise, in your Word document in the printout, you will get 1010 like that. Okay, so that's not going to work. So that is why here it's number 2, the binary data saved in the computer memory flows. There's a conversion happen to decimal, and then only it will be sending with the ICT, right? Word. Okay. And finally, there is the arrow from system unit to the monitor. So that is step 3. The binary data saved in the computer memory flows to the monitor and shows the word ICT on the screen. There is a conversion happen. Okay. So that is the end of the chapter 1, right? So if you haven't still subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell notification as well. So please share these videos among your friends, and please do comment. If you have questions, if you don't know some conversions, I can help. So please do comment, right? Thank you very much.